Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Sir Nikmat bin Udin. My name is Muhammad SHAZWAN bin Muhammad SHAHRIN. I would like to present about my final year project. The topic is underlying factor of the delay for maintenance work. Before we start, let me introduce myself. First, my name is Muhammad SHAZWAN bin Muhammad SHAHRIN. My metric number is FAA1A012. My supervisor is Dr. Dos Sungin. Background: the water supply system in Malaysia began using the method of systematical distribution water supply to the need of the 10,000 people. Water distribution system are one of the major infrastructure assets of the society, with new system being continually developed, reflecting the population growth, and existing system being upgraded and extended due to ranking water demand. Designing economy effective water distribution system is a comply test with invoice solving in a large number of simulation nonlinear network equation, and at the same time optimizing size, location, and operation status of network components such as pipe, pump, tank, and valve. This is a water supply operating system. From raw water, we go to water treatment process like coagulant, flocculation, sedimentation, distillation, and lastly we go to distribution. This topic talking about distribution. Okay, from distribution we have this network design and dimension. From distribution we have three main of pipe. First, main pipe, and go to submain and brush. Method of water distribution. This method we have three system. Firstly, a gravity system, pumping system, and combined gravity and pumping system. For gravity system, is suitable when source of supply is at surface height. Most reliable and economical distribution system. The water heat available at the consumer is just minimal required. The remaining heat is consumed in the frictional and other loss. For the pumping system, is treated water is directly pumped into the distribution main without storage. Also calling pumping without storage system. High lift pump required. If power supply fail, complete stoppage of water supply. This method is not generally used. For the combined gravity and pumping system, also most common system. Treated water is pumping at store in a elevated distribution reservoir. Then the process of supply to consumer by action of gravity. The excess water during low demand period get stored in the reservoir and get supplied during high demand period. And economical, efficient, and reliable system. Research system. What are the main factors causing delay for maintenance work? Next, why maintenance work take a long time to complete? Thirdly, how to reduce backlog maintenance work? For problem statement, firstly, weather is the main factor of the delay work of maintenance pipe work. Secondly, increase the price of good cause the supply selection process to be long. Thirdly, excavation work to find leaking pipe need to option authority approval. Next, traffic congestion delay maintenance work. Otherwise, the problem of lack of employees is the main cause of the work being slow and delay. And lastly, unsystematic work management take into account in the term of distance from one place to another place, and the somewhat slow movement of the machinery. This is the scope of study and the process of the pipe maintenance work. For the first process, how to find the leaking pipe or burst pipe. Uh, we must really work to find pipe leaking. And second, when we find the pipe and repair work and carry out. Next, work to load sand and mold the stone into the hole was carried out after the pipe repair work has been complete. And lastly, after completed by Kasharan and sand, root patterning work was carried out after the hole was closed with sand and mold. This is type of the maintenance of pipe. We have a pipe AC. Simple name. The full name is Everstore Cement. Pipe My Steel. Simple name we call MS. Pipe Poly. And pipe PVC. Obviously, pipe AC and MS we use to the main pipe because the size is very large. This is a component of pipe. Uh, we have valve, butterfly, a valve, Viking Johnson, Variable Johnson, MS Collar, and PRV, pressure reduced water. For ritual review, detailed ritual review was conducted for identify the impact of delay in pipe maintenance work on consumer by causing little inconvenience to the partial invoice and the daily importance of human being for domestic use. Factor of operation work delay due to frequent equipment breakdown, shortage equipment delay, low productivity and efficiency of equipment, low level of employer productivity, labor shortage, labor union action, bad weather condition, delay in obtaining permit, service from local authority and other organization such as electrical agency, traffic safety issue, change in government regulation and law approval of excavation work. Methodology. Firstly, conducting comprehensive literal review to identify the factor that cause schedule delay of maintenance work. Secondly, analyzing the data research using the statistical analysis method to identify the level of importance for the identified factor. Next, case study research method is combined with crowded theory research method for document analysis of archival data that was accessed via the internet. Lastly, drawing conclusion and recommended based on the obtained result. For research Gantt chart, for my first activity, literature review, I start from July 2021 until December 2021, and I start collection data from August 2021 until November 2021, and analysis and discussion from September 2021 until December 2021, and lastly the thesis writing. I start from August 2021 until now January 2022. For reference, this is a reference where I get and I refer when I find to analysis and discussing about research and about the project. Okay, this is end of the slide. If sir have question, sir can ask me. That's all, sir. Thank you.